Take it too. Alright, stop. There's a tree.
No, keep going.
There's a tree in the water.
It's not a fucking tree.
That's a tree. Hello?
Keep going over there.
I'm scared. I need to look at Evan. Really? You put a lily pad on your head? Stupid boy! That'd be sexy. Oh, that's so good.
It's super wet. My ass is wet and I don't have extra shorts.
Help me turn. Oh, no, you know, just never mind. Never mind. Hey.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, my nut! Hey, yeah. Stop, Josh!
Take her over there to the flowers.
Don't go over the flowers, they'll feel this stuff.
No one's scared of the flowers.
What? You said you're scared of the water?
No, I said no one's scared of the flowers.
What is that?
I don't know.
Josh, go. Go over there. Go over there. Try.
Josh, go, come in. No, go. Josh!
Go.
Hey, Josh. Good turn. Hey, girl. Get up, boy. Come on, go. Come back.
What you doing?
Taking it back.
You're doing it wrong.
Oh my God! Evan!
Hey, don't go into there, there's bugs.
Bugs?
Don't go into there, there's bugs.
And?
Your point?
They bite.
Yeah!
Yeah! That's good, buddy.
They're called mosquitoes? Hey, stop us.
Let me get that.
They're called mosquitoes.
Let me get that.
No!
Let me get that.
It's a flower.
I know, let me get that. Let me get that. Here.
Quick, stop.
Don't throw it at me.